Have you ever have those days when you're not okay and you wonder, am I a bad Christian for feeling this way? I've been there. So a few years ago, I was newly diagnosed with a mental health condition, and it was one of the hardest seasons of my life. I remember that night I went to church for a prayer meeting. The speaker shared about Psalm 1, verse 1 to 3. And he said, if you really trust God and live in Him, you won't have depression because you will be like a tree planted in the waters. And imagine I was already struggling with my mental health condition that time, and when I heard that, it really crossed me even more. It's like they're telling me, you don't trust God enough. That's why you're struggling right now. It made me questioning my faith, questioning, am I really trusting you, God? Do I have strong faith in you? Because if yes, why am I still struggling right now? I felt like such a failure as a Christian. But later on, I found hope in a story, and this story made me see things differently. It's the story of Elijah. In 1 Kings 19, Elijah, this powerful prophet who just called down fire from heaven, suddenly ran away, sat under a broom tree, prayed that he might just die. He hit the wall of exhaustion and depression. But look at how God responded. He didn't say, Elijah, where is your faith? Instead, God sent an angel to let Elijah rest and to feed him. There's no sermon, no judgment, no preaching. Just care and rest. It shows that God cares us, the whole person, body, mind, and the spirit. And this story really changed the way how I see myself. I used to feel guilty for not feeling okay, for needing rest, or for getting professional help. It's like I wasn't depending on God for my healing. Elijah's story remind me God meet us there. He doesn't shame us. He restores us gently. So, if your struggle make you feel less Christian, please remember this. You're not weak. You're human. And God understands your struggle more than anyone. It's okay to not be okay, but remember that God doesn't want us to stay not okay. Healing is always His plan for us. So take your time to rest, to recover, get the support, get the help you need to heal. Healing begins by letting God to care for you. This is Unique Story. Thank you for listening. Bye.